What is SabioTrade and how it works? SabioTrade is a proprietary trading company that offers talented traders funded accounts up to $500,000. Trade with the broker's money and split the profits 80/20. Everyone wins. How to become a Sabio trader? First, choose the package that best suits you. Click on Get Financing. Complete the required fields. Select a payment method and click Place Order. After completing the payment, you will receive an email with the credentials for your demo account. In the next step, you will have to test your trading skills. To pass the evaluation, trade on the demo account and reach the target profit without violating the rules. If you succeed, you will get a funded account according to the plan you select. At this point, you can withdraw up to 80% of your profit if you comply with the conditions. Link in description to join SabioTrade now.